How's it going, guys? This is my first live video of the 2020 garage sale season. Just left this garage sale. It's actually a moving sale, and awesome score. This is all sterling, and it was $10. So have these pieces are weighted sterling. You can see how big they are. Something like this would be scrap because it's kind of bent. Another dish, sterling weighted. A candy dish. This is marked sterling somewhere. It's going to be hard to see through the phone. And then like a candlestick. This is also sterling weighted. Then the best score are these plates. It weighs over a pound, maybe 2 pounds. They're pretty heavy. And there's 2, 4, 6 of them. And they're all of them are marked sterling. Again, $10 for all this stuff. Great deal. Until the next time. Well, I'm back at home. Only went to 2 garage sales today. The first one was at moving/estate sale. I went to another one that was listed. There was only like 5 in my whole town that I saw. The second one would have been a pretty good one for video games. They had listed, it looked like NCAA 2014 with a PlayStation 3 and some other games. That game, NCAA 14, is a very hot game right now. I think it sells for between $125 and $150. I got to that sale about 15 minutes after they had opened. I was only the second customer, but unfortunately, they said the first guy that was there like 5 minutes before me bought all the video game stuff. So I missed out on that deal, but very happy what I found this morning. This sale where I bought this, I saw yesterday it was posted on Craigslist, and I could tell it was like going to be a family-run estate sale. Like I told you guys in the past, those are my favorite type of sales. Basically, those sales, the family comes in, more times than not, they just want to get rid of the stuff. They need to sell the real estate, and you saw the for sale sign. That house is already sold. So they had to get rid of everything. Rather than just donating it all, they actually, these people want to get some money out of the stuff. When the sale is over, they generally just donate everything that doesn't sell. So like I said, I got there about an hour early, and they were not open yet. They opened the garage door, and I walked up, and they said, "Oh, we're sorry, we don't open till 9." I actually offered to help them set up. So I was helping them bring out furniture and boxes and stuff. And so they let me start to go through the stuff a little bit early. So went through the boxes. Not a lot of other stuff that there I was interested in. I asked them if they had any old toys or jewelry or watches, stuff like that. And they said all the stuff belonged to an aunt or something like that of theirs. And they're just cleaning out the house because the real estate had sold. So end up finding this stuff in a box with other dishes and knickknacks. Another tip for you guys is when you go to these sales and you find items you like, put them in a separate box. So I asked them if they had another box, and they gave me this. This keeps the stuff out of the eyes of other customers. Because in the past, I've had some items I've liked. I've taken them up to see a price, and they would give me a price, and somebody over my shoulder offers them more. So basically, you have to keep the stuff away from other people that like to jump the bid, I should say, on stuff you want. There's one guy that does this around my area. He's done it to multiple people. He's done it to me once. So I've learned basically to keep the stuff I want away from him. But this group of stuff, I asked her how much she wanted. She looked at it real quick and she said $10. So I was not going to argue with that. It was a great, awesome deal. Like I said, I did help him set up, but still a awesome score. So all this stuff is a sterling weighted stuff. And then these are the solid sterling. They look like to be maybe cake plates. And see, I think they're Kirk and Sons, and it says sterling, and they're all exactly the same. Looks like they have a monogram up there, CC. So these are antique, I should say, probably 1920s to 30s maybe. So it's been a while since I've had to weigh anything since last garage sale season, but these are pretty heavy, and I kind of guessed in the video, I thought these would weigh at least a pound, maybe 2 pounds. So I guess we'll see how my weighing skills are. So I have the scale here, it's in grams. So have pounds. Now there's a difference between like the weight for sterling and how you weigh silver and how you weigh regular metal. So this is just the standard weight. So that's 1.4 pounds of sterling. But like I said, there's a different scale for metal. I can't think of the other weight, how they weigh sterling and silver. It's actually built in silver weight. Using the other system, it's actually a little bit less than the 1.4 pounds. Like I said, that term escapes me right now, but I think 16 ounces a pound in regular weight, but is it 12 ounces as a sterling pound or something like that? But still one of my top probably 5 scores of all time by sterling weight, and I guess we'll do it in grams. So that's ounces still. And this is more accurate to get the melt value of this. And it's 570 or 68 grams of sterling silver. So an outstanding score. Like I said in the past, I don't really sell my sterling or gold. Generally just keep it on like a hoard. And it's like a retirement fund for me. So I want to thank all you guys for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Just starting the 2020 season for my garage sales, estate sales, auction finds. They're starting to open up now. There's actually 3 different estate sales tomorrow, and one looks really good. I'm going to end up going to that one first. And hopefully I'll find some really cool things, and I'll share them with you guys. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.